any television or film? What?
Yeah, I got shit. I got 5 hours of unseen, unreleased Larry Hoover footage that don't nobody in the world have.
You got the life rights?
I thought you said 6
that's hard, nigga. I don't need the life rights. But I need life rights for it. I don't need the life rights. Let me say it again. I got 5 hours of unseen Larry Hoover footage inside the prisons that signed off by Larry Hoover to the people that did the filming. I don't need no life history, right? Ain't it? Listen, I don't want to do a movie. I'm just going to take the footage, cut it up, and just do a documentary.
Do that too.
Well,
Documentary. Hey, that documentary, especially in this day and age.
This shit crazy, crystal clear. I don't know how this lady pulled it off, but she pulled it off. She wrote the president. The president got her access through the wars. They let her in there. 3 visits, 3 2-hour visits, I believe, with the cameras, everything.
Oh, so this is her and Larry Hoover.
Yeah, nigga, but you know they got them. They had like 2 or 3 cameras because you got some wide shots, but you got them shots where it's just like it's all him.
So she expecting anything if you do anything with it?
Well, I'll send it down to Andrew Ruff at Paradigm. Let him bring me some offers and bring me some situations. See what's on the table.
Okay, you Paradigm. Okay, cool.
No, I'm not. I ain't exclusive to nobody. Andrew Ruff is just my friend. I got a lot of friends.
Gotcha.
You know how that go.
Oh, yeah.
You can, pick that phone up, have the chairman move some shit around for you.
Gotcha.
I just deal with Andrew. I don't deal with no fucking agents. If you an agent, I ain't fucking with you anyway. If you ain't the one that make the decision that clears the budget, I ain't even talking to you. No.
Yeah, that's true.
But I mean, I'm always open to conversation.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it is. One thing I like about the entertainment industry, man, it's like it ain't the athletic industry. Like, short people got real power in the entertainment industry. We gonna shout that out.
You tried to throw that out there, dude.
Man, you did, man, because your boss, like you said, 5'3".
Hey, somebody on the stage said something about, I thought I heard somebody say something about 6 hours. Who was that?
That was Blake.
Okay.
The other day you said something about 6 hours, man. What's up, man? Oh, you know what? That's behind closed doors. I just know I'm paying attention, big homie.
Hey, bro, you gonna be like all them other weirdos.
I'm cool with
who
that.
like to doubt who like to doubt what I'm saying, and then it hits you in the face.
Oh, fuck with you. I'm on your side, big dog. I just been paying attention. We good.
Then it hits you in the face. Ow! Oh shit, he was serious. He really has it.
No, I wasn't doubting you. I just paid attention to that hour you ain't mentioned tonight. That's it.
Well, it's give or take. But I'm gonna stretch it to 9 hours by the time I'm done cutting it up and dropping Chicago news clippings in there and all that shit. When it comes to film, you can play with that how you want to.
Definitely, as you should, though.
I've been hearing a lot about a movie, but I don't know, bro. Shit.
Goddamn well, you
see the men like it have been here by now.
Hey, why have you been able to see Genius yet? The Kanye documentary?
Nah, I ain't watched that.
Man, I thought it was on Netflix already. That shit ain't there. Really looking.
It comes out later this month, Giant. I think around that time. They got like 20 years of footage.
My bad, that Hoover thing might be good, is it though? That Hoover footage you said might be good as a limited series too.
What you saying?
Instead of it being like one full documentary, make it into a limited series like how they did Tiger King.
Yeah, you could do that. I mean, I could chop it up and do like be about 1, 2. 8-part. I can make it an 8-part.
Yeah, 8 1-hour episodes. That'd be dope.
Yeah, I can do that.
And you can narrate it.
Now, that's what I've been looking for as a narrator. I'm trying to put somebody. I really would like to get somebody from the area. Where Common from? Common from up there?
Yeah, Common from up there. Shit, all type of people.
Yeah. Common for sure got a narrator's voice.
Line of Common too.
I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, Wack. It'd be dope to see you do like.
Exactly how much one of my 7 channels is currently earning. So as you see right over here on my computer,
Like, let the people in this intermediate life record them watching that video and get their perspective. Everybody that was actually involved with that shit. And then, you know what I'm saying, add the...
Hey, bro, hey, listen. You must be very young.
Hell yeah, I'm young.
Larry been in jail since 1973, bro.
Yeah, right.
So where you gonna go find the people at?
Shit, nigga, in Chicago. He still got kids and all type of shit. He got, I mean, this motherfuckers that, you know,
hey, bro, hey, look. Your brain, it ain't matured yet, bro.
No, you gotta understand, I'm the state right next to him. Just like this nigga.
You gotta understand, look, now I'ma handle you like I'm supposed to. Look, you what fucking weirdo. When you dealing with something that the family ain't fucking directly involved in, how you gonna go get the fucking family, you fucking weirdo? Now, cause, see, you've been doing a lot of motherfucking talking like I'm your motherfucking homeboy. Now you gonna be Wack, weirdo. So how you do that, weirdo?
Okay, so reach out to Chicago.
Why reach out to anything when all I gotta do is go to the archives and reach out to that? Fuck out of here. Learn how to get some money. The more moving parts in it, the more headache.
No, I feel that. But you asked the question. That's literally the answer, though, big dog. But I feel you.
Nah, nigga, I was talking about Common. You got to talk about the family and go find the people from 1973. Fuck out of here with that shit, bro.
I'm just saying he got sons and shit that's still relevant in Chicago, big homie.
Who's more relevant? The guy in the footage or a son?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying as far as reach out to the people that know him, actually.
For what? For what? Is it needed?
To add, no, it's not needed. But
okay, so why would I do it? So why would I do it if it's not needed?
Alright, so the answer to that is to add the content to that 9 hours you was talking about. You feel me?
Why? I don't need it. I don't eat nothing that short time.
I didn't say you needed it.
But you still slow though. You still slow. This is shit the family don't even have. This is shit the family don't have. So you still ain't woke up or you still high?
No, I already caught that part, big homie. I'm saying as
still drunk.
We're talking about, it'd be
okay. If you caught that part, why would I go get the son?
Because I'm about to show you. It'd be cool to see them react.
Hey man, be quiet, man. You don't get it. If I just told you, you fucking weirdo, the fucking family ain't even got the footage. When the fuck are you gonna wake up, my nigga?
You missed what I said though, big homie.
It's a conflict out the gate, dummy.
I'm cool with being a dummy, but you asked me a question. I'm trying to show you.
It's a conflict out the gate. My paperwork just says they can't stop it.
No, I'm not. Alright, I hear you. I wasn't.
Yeah, go on over there in the corner, man.
No,
for real. Like some of you little niggas, y'all brain don't work right.
I think you missed what I said, big dog.
Now you missing it. You're missing it. You want me to go? This is what you want me to do. Go get the family members.
Not just the family though, but go ahead, my bad.
Go get the family members that the business is conflicting with to work with the project. That's what you said, right?
Not even necessarily that, and I didn't think it would be. Like you said, you got the recording. No, listen, you said you just presented like you got the recording, so can't nobody say yeah or nay, right? So I was saying just to add to content for that 9 hours.
Yo, man, look, shut the fuck up. You don't even don't get it. You still don't get it. Yo, this nigga like slow or something. Like what?
I just told you.
Oh my god!
I was telling you.
What are you not hearing? You want me to go get the people that are conflicting with the footage?
And see, at the beginning you said nobody can say yeah or nay to. I didn't know that problem.
They can't.
I'll leave it alone. I didn't know that.
They can't. The documentation says you can't stop that. But what the fuck that got to do with the people on the other side that if they could stop it, they would?
Right. No, like I said, I was just brainstorming, trying to.
You one of them niggas that like to sound like you educated, but you dumb as fuck. Talk about the shit you know to talk about, bro. Like, because if you was halfway in this business, you would have caught that out the gate. Well, it's conflicting with you. Well, go get the family.
I mean, not even.
Hey, he just said that earlier to somebody else. I forget.
I didn't want to say on here, but
nigga right here.
Hey, Wack, man, he's one of your biggest supporters. You see his profile?
That nigga ain't my biggest. That nigga over there acting like he's something he ain't, which means he's a horrible student. If he's a horrible student, he can't be taught nothing.
and that's what
Yes, Sensei, I'm working on it.
OJ ain't say none of that shit. Keep me out of that.
Yes, Sensei, I'm working on it.
Man,
look, he working on it. This nigga right here, right?
He's a stiff supporter of Wack 100. That's what his profile is.
Crazy as a motherfucker, man.
Hey, man. Shit, he just trying to get on. He's just trying to create.
As soon as the attorney asked me if I had the life rights, and I told him it's exclusively signed off and signed over, he knew what time it was. Off the rim. This is why I'm not going to movie. Because when you fucking with the movies, then you need them life rights. But the actual footage that we have, I don't need no life rights because we own the footage. It's our footage. It's signed over for us to do film, television, stream, whatever we want. Everything is stipulated in there. Right? So, as long as you stay in your lane with that, you'll be alright.
Like, where you at? What state you in?
Weak ass Iowa, and I hear you loud.
That nigga don't know what's going on.
That
nigga up there, that nigga in Iowa, he don't know what's going on.
I'm working on it.
You gonna get up out of Iowa, right?
Hell
That's the first niggas like I know that live in Iowa.
Yeah.
Right.
I was gonna be like, he can throw Sylvester some potatoes, but that's Idaho. For sure.
That's the only place you can walk around all day and it look the same no matter what time of day.
Funny as hell. This nigga got dope.
I ain't never been to Iowa.
Nigga, don't come to this raggedy motherfucker, bro.
Dying.
Like, you the one that, dealing with your, situation with your...
Yeah, this nigga. He the only nigga to catch a gun case in Iowa and he didn't fire the gun. This nigga crazy.
Funny as hell, this nigga got too many jokes.
You told the story.
That's funny though.
Hey, yo, Blake, what's up with your last name, bro?
It's French.
What, LaFleur?
I was
So
gonna
you the only nigga
say
got dropped off in Iowa.
no. I was gonna say Iowa is lovely. Actually, Iowa State University is a.
What's up with your...
You had a fun.
I'm sorry, but it's right above Missouri, so it's not that bad.
That's all that is.
That's some bullshit. The college, I know a lot of people went to the college.
The French.
I know a lot of people went to the college, but the biggest thing going on in Iowa was the Iowa 80 truck stop.
And T-Boss is from Iowa, from TLC.
Did nobody know that shit? Did nobody know that shit?
Yeah,
and
but
they
now
did that during her career. And they did that during her career.
Hey, don't be sleeping on the corn though. The price of the gas just went up.
That is the truest statement.
Hold on.
Nobody knew that shit. They hid that shit.
I did not know
I
that.
work for her.
Iowa's nickname the corn?
Yeah.
And she a
That's why I
Taurus,
said don't be
gang.
sleeping on the corn. Gas prices.
Wait.
Are you saying corn or porn? I'm so
Corn.
Iowa's name is
Corn. It's Iowa. Corn.
Baby corn.
Corn in the cornfield.
How corn comes from?
Wait, hold on.
But yeah, that'd be a smart investment.
Wait.
Corn, my nigga.
So how niggas in Oakland call it the town, y'all call Iowa the corn.
Fuck no.
The cob.
Where did you get that from, Jay?